www.gibsonTruckworld. Calm 2008 Ford F-250 XLT Crew Cab Long Bed Power Stroke Diesel 4-wheel drive riding on 4 brand new 295 Nitos, under factory warranty through 9/18/12. Adjustable pedals, dual power seating, MP3 CD player, bed liner, towing package, power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors. Gibson Truck World works very closely with Save Our Florida Pets, a dog, cat and horse rescue. Save lives when you buy Gibson. Gibson Truck World is highly regarded as the world's largest, most trustworthy truck dealership. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the continental United States, 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department with our exclusive 15-day return policy. Honest, reliable, loyal, we are the